Samsung is currently working hard on refining its next big software update, One UI 8.5, and things are getting exciting. A few weeks ago, an early version of the Galaxy S25 Ultra firmware leaked online, showing us a glimpse of what's coming. Now, a newer build has surfaced, and it looks like Samsung has made more visual changes and improvements since then, since One UI 8.5 is still being developed. The first leaked version wasn't fully polished, some icons looked unfinished, and a few visual elements didn't match the rest of the interface. Samsung seems to be fixing that now. One noticeable change is in the quick panel. The widget list buttons, which previously looked awkward, now appear much cleaner and properly designed. The digital well-being app has also been slightly redesigned. It now has bigger buttons, making it easier to use and more visually balanced. When editing the lock screen, you can now tap on the app shortcut in the corner, and it will bring up the full list of apps in a pop-up window. This makes customization much simpler and faster. Samsung has made some small but nice adjustments to the phone app as well. The bottom bar now only shows icons, giving it a simpler look in the latest version. This bar stretches across the full width of the screen, even though the actual buttons take up less space. It's a small detail, but it gives the interface a cleaner and more uniform appearance. The weather app has been updated too. When you tap the search icon, the search bar now moves to the bottom of the screen, similar to what Samsung did in the Settings app. The location name at the top is now displayed inside a box, making it easier to notice. These design updates make the app feel more modern and user-friendly. In the Gallery app, Samsung has improved the Galaxy AI photo editing menu. The icons look better, and the bottom navigation bar now displays all tab names at once, so you don't have to scroll sideways to see them. This makes the editing process smoother and more intuitive. Another small but clever addition is the gradient effect that now appears at the top and bottom of several apps, like Weather, Settings, and Gallery. This effect gives a faint preview of what's next as you scroll up or down, creating a smoother transition between sections. The screen recorder menu has also been redesigned. The buttons are now larger and come with new icons that clearly show what each option does. This is especially helpful for users who want to quickly start recording without getting confused by the settings. All these changes show that Samsung is paying attention to details and trying to make the interface not just beautiful, but also more practical. While most of these updates might seem small on their own, together they make the overall experience more refined. Samsung wants One UI 8.5 to feel smoother, more consistent, and more visually appealing across all apps. However, this isn't the final version yet, since One UI 8.5 is still in early testing. There could be even more visual and functional changes in the coming weeks. Samsung is likely experimenting with new layouts, updated animations, and better AI-powered features to make daily tasks easier. It's also worth noting that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely be the first device to launch with One UI 8.5 out of the box, followed by other Galaxy models like the S25, S25, and future foldables. After that, Samsung will gradually roll out the update to older phones. There might still be hidden features or design updates that haven't been discovered yet. Tech enthusiasts are continuing to explore the leaked firmware to uncover more surprises, and every new build reveals something fresh. Overall, One UI 8.5 looks like a promising update that focuses on cleaner visuals, improved usability, and smoother animations. It's not a huge overhaul, but it's definitely a step toward a more polished and modern Galaxy experience. As Samsung continues to refine its software, users can expect a more elegant, consistent, and enjoyable interface once One UI 8.5 officially rolls out.